Warm welcome and a very good morning, very good evening, everyone. So today, as discussed before yesterday and yesterday, the SGS Nifty not given the bullish confirmation. Instead of it turned into bearish movement because of the supply zone. Okay, but in the weekly time frame, there is a huge demand zone. So the price will be consolidated some more time in this zone and then it will rally. Price will do some consolidation here because there is a good weekly demand zone. In daily there is a supply zone. Stock is SGX Nifty is reacted because of this supply zone. But when we see in our Nifty, when the candle is closed here, see the bullish candle is closed above the supply zone, that means that supply zone turned into the demand zone. Right now price in the demand zone, and today it went down below the supply zone, but the candle is not closed. So if candle is closed in our Indian market also, we can see some movement in downside. Otherwise we have to be wait for the proper confirmation from the XGS Nifty and from our Indian market also. Right now, market is taking little pullback. Yesterday we discussed it like market is like taking small kind of pullback. After that, it will go upside. I'm deleting these lines. So right now, market is taking some kind of pullback, and we may expect this is a kind of flag. So after that, some small consolidation. Okay, before making a new high, some small kind of consolidation. Okay, so it may happen. After that, we see upward direction because why I'm expecting consolidation. Why? Because in higher time frame, weekly time frame, there is a high probability of demand zone. That is the reason I'm explaining this way. Till now, market is in the bullish trend only. Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty actually turned into the again into the support zone. So for bullish confirmation, we have to be wait. We have to wait. A small retracement is happening, and there is a small kind of demand zone, drop based rally. It may retest and it may go upside. Bank Nifty is in the retracement area. Once it came into this zone, then it will go upside. So in Bank Nifty also, till now we are not received any kind of bearish confirmation. So be a buyer. And this is a inverted head and shoulder. Right now market is at the stage of consolidation. Once the small pullback is completed, then we can expect bullish movement in the Bank Nifty. And next, actually today I'm not suggesting any stocks because tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday is there. So I will find out a very good stocks and I will share with you all. So right now today we are in the weekend. So I want to introduce a new topic that is without using any kind of indicator. Without using any kind of indicator, can we identify the trend? So we have only candlesticks on the chart. So by seeing the candlesticks, we can easily understand the trend change, whether the trend is bullish or bearish. We can easily say. So that is what right now I'm going to explain you. This is personally I learned from somewhere, so I am going to share with you all also. So I just opened the SG CNX CNX FMCG sector. Okay, index. This is index. So in this chart, I am going to explain how to identify the trend without using the indicator. So I am enabled with the base candle. I'm enabled with the base candle indicator. So I'm turning off the base candle indicator. Right now you can see only bullish candle, bearish candle. Only bullish candle and bearish candle. So clearly understand how we can say, how we can identify this one. Let's say we will take the chart some random position. Okay, this is some position. This is a bearish candle. Okay, this is a bearish candle. When a new bullish candle is closed above the previous bearish candle, see here, when bearish candle close was closed by another bullish candle, for suppose, see here, here is one close. If that close is engulfed by, engulf means if that close is broken by another candle, that we can say trend is changed. So simply I will explain here simply in detail. This is a bullish candle. This is a bearish candle. In bullish candle, open will be here, close will be here. In bearish candle, open will be above, close will be below. Close will be below. So here I am going to explain how we can identify whether the trend is changed or not changed. Here another bearish candle is formed. This is the open, this is the close. So if the recent close is engulfed by the previous open of the bullish candle, that we can say trend is changed. So here trend is bullish, this is a bullish, this is a bearish, but this close is not broken the open of the bullish candle. This close is not engulfed previous open of the green candle, and a new candle is formed. This is the red candle, a new candle is formed. This open was engulfed by this candle. This open was, which open? Bullish candle open. Bullish candle open was engulfed by this red candle. That means trend is changed. So when again trend will change into, right now trend in the bearish trend. So suppose how we can identify bullish trend? See here. Here one bullish candle is formed. One bullish candle is formed. Where will be the open? This will be the open. This will be the close. But where is the bearish candle close? Where is the previous bearish candle close? This is the recent bearish candle close. This is not at engulfed. Again, new green candle is formed. And this is engulfed the previous bearish candle open. See here. and again another bullish candle is formed, another bullish candle is formed, like that. So this is a here where is the trend is change, where the if I ask you the question where the trend is changed, here trend is confirmed, and trend is here, trend is confirmed, trend is created here, trend created here, and trend is in the uptrend right now, trend is moving towards the upside. So when we will go into bearish, whenever a new bearish candle is formed and that bearish candle engulfed by the previous candle open, that means bullish candle open, this is the open, this is the close. See, this open was engulfed by the latest bearish candle. So right now trend is changed into the bearish. So sir, you are saying, but how we can trade, how can we trade using this concept? I can say simply, when trend is changed, here trend is changed, right? Here trend is changed into the bullish trend. So you can keep the stop loss here and you can take the buy entry. Whenever new bullish candle is creating, you can move your stop loss to here. Whenever new bullish candle is coming, you can trail your stop loss here. Whenever new bullish candle is coming, trail your stop loss here. Whenever a new bearish candle is formed, then your stop loss will be executed here. So your traveled to till to this level. Okay, you are entered here and you are traveled till to this level. And your trailing stop loss, this is the way of doing trailing stop loss also. This is very easy method. I will explain on the chart also in detail. Hope you understand. So I will play on the chart and you can easily identify that now. Let's say here I am doing bar replay. Where is the recent green candle? Just a moment. Here is the recent green candle, right? So this recent green candle was engulfed here with this candle. So now trend is changed into the bearish trend. Now I'm playing. So the latest red candle, see the latest red candle. Sorry. Oh. See this latest red candle. The latest red candle was engulfed by this green candle. That means trend is changed. Trend is changed. Okay. Where we will take the entry? We will take the entry here. We will take the entry here. And where we will keep the stop loss? We will keep the stop loss here. Why? Because trend is confirmed. Trend is changed and confirmed. Now after taking the position, again bearish candle formed. Do we need to bother? No. Why? Because the trend, the green candle open was not engulfed. The green candle open was not engulfed by the red candle. So still we are in the bullish trend only. Again, and so where we will keep the stop loss now? Suppose we taken the entry here. We taken the entry here. One red candle is formed. We won't change our stop loss. We won't change our stop loss. After that, a green candle is formed. After that, green candle is formed. Whenever new green candle is formed, then we will move our stop loss to this level. our stop loss to this level. Bullish candle, still this green candle, is not engulfed by any one of the recent red candles. So trend still in the bullish only. See here what happened. The trend is here. Here the green candle open was engulfed by this latest red candle. So that means trend is changed into the bearish trend. It's a small kind of identification. If you do with the monthly time frame, then you can understand easily.
Sir, but this green candle was engulfed by second candle also.
This one, huh?
Yeah.
No. It's not engulfed. What I said, the green candle open should be enclosed, should be engulfed with the red candle close. The red candle close is not engulfed. Na? This is open here. This is close. So it is not at engulfed, right?
Okay, actually, it's high is engulfed. Low weak is not engulfed. High is engulfed.
Not wick, only body. We want to bother about the wicks. Only body. Only body. I said
body
only
should be
open.
engulfed by body only.
Only body we will consider. Why? Because I am saying here only open close, not the high low.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So right now trend is in the, here trend is confirmed. Here trend is confirmed. This is the bearish. Suppose if we take the short trade here, if we take the short trade here, where we will take this candle is. So if we take entry here, then we will keep our stop loss here. What happened? Trend is angle. This the latest red candle was engulfed with this green candle. So our stop loss is hit here also. Whenever new bullish candle is formed, then we will take entry on the confirmation. When the trend is started here, trend is confirmed here. Bullish candle. So whenever new bullish candle is forming, we will move our stop loss to here. We will not move. We already in the position. We are now moving stop loss here. So this green candle formed, we moved. Again green candle formed, we moved. Again green candle formed, we moved the stop loss here. Again bullish candle formed. See where we will keep the stop loss now. We will keep the stop loss below, because the latest green candle low is our stop loss always, simply. Again bearish candle formed, but the trend is still in the bullish. Red candle formed, still bullish. See here, again trend continued. We are moving to the latest green. Again green. Again, see we moved to this. We always keep our stop loss at the lowest point of the candle. We are moving stop loss to here. Again green candle formed, moved stop loss here. Red candle formed, still bullish, still trend is not changed.
Sir, please show this in a lower time frame, 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
This is a free version of the trading view. It will not work for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It will work only for daily.
5 or 10 minutes.
It will not work for, it will work only for the daily time frame, sir. It's a free version. Okay, whatever it is, it's just a candle only. I am not saying about any time frame. I am saying about the candle only, na. So please concentrate on the candle only. You think, you imagine this is 1 minute candle, right now. So right now a green candle formed, and I am moving my stop loss to here. Again red candle formed, no worries. Again green candle formed. So what we will do, we will move our stop loss to here. Again green candle, again see here, whenever new green candle formed, see here, this red candle is engulfed, trend is changed. This candle, this candle open was engulfed with this green candle, with this bearish candle close. That means trend is engulfed. Trend is changed into the bearish trend. Where we entered, see here. Where we entered. This is the beauty of the strategy. So we will get so many stop losses with this strategy. But out of 10 entries, 2 entries will give beautiful profit. See, this is a simple way of trading the stop loss. If you are an intraday trader, you are always with the system, you are always watching the chart, then you can do scalping without any kind of indicator, just blind logic, just blind logic. This one, this is not a perfect, but this is a blind logic. You can do trade. Where we entered here 36,842 is our entry. Where we exited 40,400. Right? This is the beauty of trend following strategy without using any indicator. I hope you understand. Now trend is changed into the bearish trend. Where I will keep the stop loss? I will keep stop loss here, and I'm taking new entry here. I'm taking new entry here. So 40,750 is stop loss. I took position 40,444. Now see what happened. Trend is immediately changed. Trend is immediately changed. So we need to keep stop loss exactly. We don't need to use buffer stop losses also. If stop loss hit, just exit. Don't wait. So now this start position gave stop loss. Now green candle is formed. So here we will take the entry. We will keep the stop loss here. Bearish candle formed. We won't change our stop loss because trend is green candle formed. We will move our stop loss to here. Again, latest green candle formed. Again, we will move our stop loss here. Again, red candle. We will not move our stop loss, and trend is also not changed. Here, see here, our stop loss hit. We just taken the entry here 41,000 within 90 points. Our trade is exited. 90 points only we made profit, near to 83 points. Okay, let's it is okay, no problem, but it's a blind logic. You can easily identify the trend. Now again bearish trend is confirmed. Where we will keep our stop loss? Our stop loss will be here, our entry will be here. Again bearish, so we will move our stop loss here. Again bearish candle, we will move our stop loss to here. Again bearish candle, we will move our stop loss here. Bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle. Again we will upgrade our stop loss. Again bearish candle, we will move our stop loss here. See here, here the stop loss is hit. Where we took the entry? We took entry 41,034. Our stop loss is hit at 40,400. 40,400. See, 600 points nearly we captured. Now trend is changed. Trend is changed here. Trend starting point is here. Now we will keep our stop loss here. See, again green candle. So we will change our stop loss to here. means cost to cost entry. Now again bearish candle formed. We will not change our stop loss. We will wait. Bearish candle. Okay, no problem. We will not change the stop loss because we always keep stop loss at the green candle only. See, it taken the stop loss here. So means wherever we entered, there only we exited. Why? Because I am saying we don't know how much price can travel. We don't know how much price can be traveled in upward direction or downward direction. So we will always keep on trailing the stop loss. Now trend is changed. We will keep our stop loss here. This is our entry point. Again, so now what happened? Your stop loss 41,704 became 40,593. This is the way to trail the stop loss for this strategy. Again, see, now we are in the profit, right? We entered here, green line is entry, red line is the stop loss. Again, see here. See here. Trend is changed here. So we captured this much points. We captured this much points. Now what we will do? We'll move our stop loss here and we will take the entry. Why? Because trend is changed. Na? Trend is changed. This open is engulfed with this close. We always consider with the latest red candle is engulfed with the latest green candle or not. If it is happened, then the trend is changed like that. Hope you understand.
Yes, sir. For buy trade, we will take green candle as a stop loss, and for sell, we will take red candle as a stop loss.
Correct, exactly. This is a trend following strategy. We always move our stop loss with the candle. If suppose green candle is formed, right now I took the buy entry. This is my stop loss. Where I took the entry on the candle high, or when the candle is confirmed, when the trend is confirmed on the next day itself or next candle itself, you will take the entry. So whenever you take the entry where the trend is started, there we will keep the stop loss. Where we will sorry for that, we will take the entry when the trend is confirmed. We will keep the stop loss below of that candle in case of buy side. Right now red candle was formed. We will not change our stop loss. We will keep our stop loss there only. Again, trend is changed. So the stop loss is hit. Now what happened? This green candle open is engulfed with the red candle close. We will change our position. So previously we are buyer, now we are the seller. This is the entry point where in which candle you taken the entry, that candle will be your stop loss. We are moving because the candle is red itself. Here itself stop loss is hit and trend is changed. So we will take entry here. We will keep the stop loss here. Still not happened. See, price is moving. We will move our stop loss to latest green candle. Here our stop loss hit. Why? Because this red candle is engulfed this green candle. So hope you understand. So this is the way of identifying the trend without using any indicator. So if you have any questions, you can ask me now. It's 8 more minutes left.
Nice. Very nice explanation.
Thank you, sir. So everybody understood
Yeah,
the concept?
one question here.
Yes, please.
So we put in the stop loss on the low of the wick, not the close of the wick, right?
Only stop losses at the lowest point for the buy.
No,
Highest
but
point
entries will be
when the
close of the wick.
entries will be when the trend is changed. When trend is changed on the next candle itself, now bullish trend is there. So we will, let's say here, what is the trend? What is the trend? Bullish trend or bearish trend? Right now, CNX FMCG, bearish trend or bullish trend? If I ask you by using this today's concept, so what is your answer?
It will be on a bearish trend because the red candle, the one before the current one, is
Yes,
close below the.
exactly. Now CNX FMCG in the bearish trend. So this is not a holy grail strategy. This is a blind concept of identifying the trend with those using indicator. So don't depend on this. It's a, you can easily identify.
Yeah, but in this case, the next candle itself, I take an entry, and it could have actually taken my stop loss immediately, right? Because
yes, exactly. This is the stop loss point, right?
Yeah.
This is your entry point, right? So here itself stop loss is taken.
Okay, on the same day itself.
Same day itself, your stop loss is taken.
Okay.
You're out of the trade. What you will do?
Okay.
You can again change or you can enter. See, it's the risk is in front of you. That risk is in front of you. 37,210 is entry. 37,712. It's nearly 500 points. Are you okay to put 500 points risk? If you are okay to put 500 points risk, then take the trade. Otherwise, no. It's your choice. The strategy is with you. Whether you are okay to keep this much of stop loss, okay. Otherwise, leave it. There are so many candles will form now.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Understood? Small candles you can play. Small kind of candles you can play. And don't ask what is the success rate for this concept. It's a blind concept of identifying the trend without using indicator. I don't know how much you can, how many people will use this. Okay, 4 minutes left. Any questions, please?
In the last 3 candles, please repeat where we will trade, where we will take the trade.
Okay, I will explain here. Let's say I'm here. Right now, what is the trend? If I ask you what is the trend, if I ask you what is the trend, then you should say the trend is bearish. Why? Because the latest red candle open was not engulfed with the latest green candle. So even though bullish candle, but trend is not at all changed. When the trend is changed, whenever see here, when the trend is changed, here the latest red candle open was engulfed with this latest green candle. Let's say there is no right side candles. Here the latest red candle was engulfed with the latest green candle. Am I correct or not? Yes.
Yes, sir. So we will buy where?
We will buy here. We will keep our stop loss here. We will buy here. We will keep our stop loss here. Next, see. Whenever another green candle is formed, we will change up.
Every time.
No.
Buy put at the close of candle.
No. When the trend is confirmed, you take the entry in the next candle. We don't know whether the candle will be opened with the gap up or with gap down. We don't know. On the next day, see here trend is confirmed to bullish. So whenever market is opened on the next candle, you will take the entry by keeping the stop loss here. Right now, a day is passed and it is ended with the green candle. So what I will do next day, this is my stop loss. Again, next day also, green candle is formed. Then what I will do, I will move my stop loss to here. Okay, what will happen tomorrow? Okay, this is, let's say, assume this is the today. Tomorrow, I don't know what is. Tomorrow also green candle formed, right? So what I will do, I will move my stop loss to here. Again, this candle will become today. Again, what happened? Here, bearish candle is formed. So here, bearish candle is formed means on the next day itself, you will exit the position because the stop loss is not hit. The stop loss is not yet hit, but trend is changed to the bearish. So you will exit, right? Hope you understand.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then what you will do? You will change your direction. You will change your mindset to bearish side. This is our stop loss. This is our stop loss and entry. Okay.
But so
That's
this
it.
the last red candle has not engulfed.
It's engulfed. It's engulfed, na? See, this is the open, na? I am saying open only. The body, only see the body, sir. This open is engulfed with the close.
Okay, open should be engulfed only.
Open only. See, this, let's say this is a green candle. Open, close. Green candle, open, close. Now here, bearish candle. This is close here, open here. This open was engulfed, na? This open was taken out with this, right?
Yes, sir.
If O is crossed by C, then the trend is changed. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Here, open, close, right? Now, green candle was formed. This open was crossed by this C, right? So trend is changed. Simple way.
Mani,
Yes, please, sir.
sir, as per you, yesterday you said FMCG has given a breakout yesterday, no?
Yes.